Good. That's good.
Good boy.
And petting and bringing
Good
out.
job.
That's good. Just wanted him to.
Good job, Betty. Good job.
You want to leave him watching? Oh, that's good. If he goes toward him, that's fine.
You could just realize.
Cut this push back. It's just normal state.
I don't recognize it. I kept trying to figure out what it was.
Some kind of wild beetle plant or something is
That's-
its name.
Makes sense.
There we go. Good. Very good. Look at that. He's gonna be nice. Because he's not a hardhead either. Let's go catch him.
Yeah.
Now. Just get it jumping.
Oh,
Oh, good boy. Yeah. Now see if I could get him to come with me, I could get him to go around the whole group.
he loves you. I have to tell you. There was something, like, the minute he came out here, it was like, boom, he knew what you were up to. It's really
Now
funny.
he's getting into it again. Look at the point.
Amazing.
It's like there's some border collie back there somewhere. Very nice. Whoa, okay. Bring them all
Well,
back together.
Mom's got Focus. His mom, and I know she has the,
Bring them all back together. You don't want to have one out. That's real common
she's
for
got
little
the,
puppies to not know how to keep the group together. They want to single one out. There.
oh, there we go. Good job. Good boy. Yeah.
Why'd you catch him?
Good job,
Try
Sarge.
to catch him. He put his leash on
Sarge,
him.
come on, Sarge. Good job. Come on, babe. Let's go. Good job.
Oh, if we want to leave him wanting more.
Good job, Sarge.
Good boy.
Such a good boy.
Yeah, he has
Yeah.
a lot of nice focus.
His mom's like that too. And she'll stop, but that's the only thing she doesn't have. You know, she doesn't
Yeah.
have that obsessive that you see with the border collie.
Right, yeah. And he
mom's-
wouldn't either. Yeah.
But the mom's got